Today, I'll walk you through how to set up Jira workflows in under 10 minutes, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create and customize your workflows so you can streamline your project management process effectively. Let's get started. First, open your Jira dashboard. This is your command center where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new here. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear, located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Issues. This section is where you'll find all the tools you need to manage your workflows. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same. Now, on the left sidebar, click on Workflows. This is where you can view existing workflows and create new ones. Think of workflows as the pathways your tasks will follow, similar to how a map guides you to your destination. To create a new workflow, click the Add Workflow button at the top right and then select Create New. This is your opportunity to name your workflow, for example, Development Team Workflow. You can also add a brief description to clarify its purpose. Once you've filled that out, click Add. Next, it's time to define the statuses for your workflow. Click on the plus Add Status button at the top bar. Here, you can type the name of your status, such as In Review. This step is crucial as it helps everyone on your team understand where tasks stand in the process. Now, set the category for your status. This is important for reporting and organizing your board columns. You have three options: To Do for work that hasn't started yet, In Progress for tasks currently being worked on, and Done for completed tasks. Choose wisely, as these categories will help you visualize your workflow. If you want a strict linear process, uncheck the option that says Allow all statuses to transition to this one. However, if you prefer a more flexible approach, feel free to leave it checked. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click Add. Finally, repeat this process for any other statuses you may need in your workflow. This will ensure that your team has a clear understanding of the task progression. Just like building a house, every step is essential to create a solid structure. And there you have it. You successfully set up your Jira workflows in under 10 minutes. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.